Say happy anniversary to Grandpa and Grandma. Happy anniversary, Grandpa and Grandma.
Oh, happy anniversary po. Keep loving each other.
Ulit. Sige, message.
Happy anniversary.
Message to
Keep
Grandpa and
loving each
Grandma.
other. Grandma, happy anniversary. God bless. Isa pa. Mami dati si Paul. We will be working in
Amen.
Vancouver Islands by next week. So wala na siya.
Laki-laki na.
Happy anniversary po.
Very good. Congratulations, Kuya. Lord. Mommy and Daddy, message.
Basta tigwa 1 hour, hinto tayo, tigwa 1 hour.
Message.
Congratulations and best wishes. How many years? 50 years?
50.
Congratulations. Love you and hope to see you again. Come back and visit us again, okay? Love you. God bless.
Ruby and Kuya Roland.
Happy anniversary.
Kumusta? Kamusta na kayo?
Ay, Kapampangan. Sige.
Kailan tayo ulit magsisingalong? Karaoke.
Message in Kapampangan. Message ka sa Kapampangan.
Kamusta po kayo karaoke?
Anniversary.
Okay. Anniversary. Let's first of all your heartfelt message, for a little sound. A little
Background music.
Soft music. That's good. Come on.
I'm shy. It's for the grandparents. Happy anniversary. I hope you guys are having a great time. We miss you.
Heartfelt message.
Happy anniversary. We love you. We love you.
Love you.